So the manipulation around objects. Let's grab 3D sphere, click edit, and click on polyframe so I can see what I'm doing. Now by default you have a few things on. You have local over here, and you have local symmetry, rotate around all axis, rotate on Z axis, and rotate on Y axis. When these are on, the local and this one, it's based upon where I'm grabbing. Let's take, for example, if I grab here and start rotating around the object. Okay? It's going to wobble a little bit. See? Let's say I grab out further. It's going to wobble around it because I'm grabbing out here and choosing wherever my cursor is as the pivot point. This is very, very awkward sometimes when you're moving around an object. Now, if it gets a little bit bigger, however, this is a very nice thing. But for right now, if you're working on smaller items or you're working with 2.5D concepts, this is definitely not what you want to do, because what are you doing? Well, you could be potentially moving this into a different Z depth. Okay? So, let's go and take local transformations off and turn on rotate on all axes on. Now, when you move it around, it's not based upon a new pivot point. It's based upon its original pivot point. Okay? And if you ask me, it's still kind of a little wonky, but I guess that's what you got to deal with the kind of a new pivot system they have in 3.12. It's different, and you get used to it. What's really nice is now when you actually move around an object, do you see how the red becomes an ellipse? It actually follows the contour of the object. Okay, so all new brushes, everything follows the contour of the object back as far as it can get into Z depth. Very nice. Okay, so now that we know the difference between, local symmetry or local and these, just know that you might want to keep on rotate on all axes, just so you can get a really nice way of rotating around the object.